Okay, today I am going to replace my thermostat and my radiator cap. Alright, the radio cap, the part number is 7616. Alright, this is an easy fix, and this is the thermostat. Part number is 3358. Alright, here we go. Alright, this is the radiator cap, and this is the thermostat right here. Brand new. If it's the wrong one, I can get a brand new one, or the right one. So it says right here 82 Celsius or 180 degrees Fahrenheit. So this would open up at that temperature, so that's good. These has never been changed in the van since I had it, so I know you need to replace this every 5 to 6 years. I don't know when it's last been changed, and I know this one has never been changed either, so I'm gonna go ahead and replace this one too. New seals, new gasket and everything. So let me go ahead and put this on. All right, to take off the old one, you just turn, and then turn again, and then it comes right out. Looks okay, but I'm gonna go ahead and replace it. This is the easiest part right here. You line up these things right here to here, line it up, and then just twist on. Okay, that's that part. All right, to get to my thermostat, I need to take this off. So I'm gonna just go ahead and wiggle this off. These are broken, so I need to find a new one or replace it with a brand new one. See, it just pops right off because this part has broken off. So put that off to the side and pull this thing out. Lay that off the side. And if you can see it, I don't think you can see it. It is right there. That is the thermostat. You have to take off that nut right there, and the nut on this side, right there. Okay, let me go and get some tools to do this, and I'll be right back. Alright, this gets you a socket and a 14 millimeter, and take off them 2 bolts, and make sure you have a catch pan to catch the coolant. So here we go. Alright, when you get the last bolt out, just come in here and wiggle it. And like I said, it was leaking. It was gonna leak all over the floor. So there goes the thermostat. If you can see it, it's right there. So I need to pull it out and replace it. All right, I'll be right back. All right, this is my old one. I have no idea why. I don't think it's opening. And this is set for 91 Celsius, 195 degrees. So Fahrenheit. I don't know if this one is bad or not. I'm gonna check it out. I'm gonna test it out with some boiling water to see if it opens. And this is the new one. So that's 180, so it will open. So hopefully this one will work. Just put it in and go from there. All right, be right back. And go ahead and replace the gasket for it. All right. All right, when you got that tightened up to 35 foot-pounds, it's time to pour some coolant back into the radiator. So, all right, go ahead and get you a water hose and spray, not too much. Spray all this down. You don't need to go overboard on this. You just need to get that coolant off the engine. So I'm gonna spray. I ain't trying to flood it. I'm just trying to get the coolant off the engine. and off this part right here, and go up underneath and spray this down. Spray that off of your driveway. Spray off this part right here, the engine part. Spray off that. Then you should be done. Alright, the one reason why I changed my radiator cap and my thermostat is because the other day, me and my wife was driving into town to pick up a couple things, doing some errands, and my temperature on my dash was saying it was like almost going to pass the half mark point. So I mean, it never overheated too bad where it was smoking. But when we got home, I hurried up and turned it off and just turned it off and checked it. And I mean, I had radiator fluid in it, and that's one reason why I changed it. I haven't took a drive in it yet to see if that thermostat or the radiator cap did its job. So if it doesn't, then it's either one or two things. It could be my radiator is clogged, or it could be my water pump is going bad or gone. So I guess I'll do another video to see where it's at, or if it's not what I replaced today, I would have to do another video of doing my water pump or my radiator. So, all right, thank you for watching. Thank you.